Issue rollup to epic formulas are used for the summation of duration fields within an epically linked ticket and the storage of resulting values in an epic ticket. Starting from the main Abacus page, I'll need to select the button underneath the title Duration Formulas that says Create Formula. Next, I'll need to click on the bolded text labeled Issue Rollup to Epic. This screen is where I will edit the specifics of my formula. I'll need to give my formula a descriptive name. For my example, I want to summate the total amount of time of all deliveries within all epically linked tickets within an epic. For the issue field, I'll choose delivery time, and for the function, I'll choose sum. I'll want to select the result field of total delivery time, as this is where I want the results of the calculation to populate. Lastly, I'll need to save the formula by clicking the Save Formula button. Next, I'll move on to creating the execution plan. I'll need to specify when I want the plan to execute the formula. For this example, I'll want that to be when an issue is created or when an issue is updated. Once the plan is saved, I'll move on to testing out the formula in Jira. I'll head back to the main page and view a ticket that I created earlier. Within this ticket, I'll create an epically linked ticket and make sure to fill in the delivery time field with the duration 4H or 4 hours. Once I click the Create button and move back to viewing the parent ticket, I can see that the issue field has been summated to the result field Total Delivery Time. If I create another epically linked ticket and this time specify 6H or 6 hours in the delivery time field, once I save it, I can see in the parent ticket that the delivery time total has jumped from 4H to 10H, illustrating the effects of summating those epically linked issue fields within the epic issue.